Okay, now I'm going to replace the brake pads. First, you need to spread the pads apart. Insert a screwdriver between the pads and pull to one side, and the pads will spread apart. You need to remove two 12mm bolts. Also, let's remove the small, long 8mm pin. Now, you can remove the worn pads. Looking at the condition, they are quite worn down, and you can see traces of one side of the pad making contact with the disc. You need to take out the guide and reposition the pistons. It is helpful to have a tool, but if you don't, pushing it in with a screwdriver is sufficient. Apply brake grease to the guide. Then, put it back in. Now, insert the pads and secure the 8mm pin first. You need to create space with a screwdriver to make installation easier. Finally, align it with the disc and tighten the bolts starting from the top. Hold the brake lever a few times to ensure the pads are perfectly aligned. This is a very important step at the end. Now, just check it and you're done.